So hello guys, I'm back. I have a new toy that my mom buy for me in TikTok shop. So let's open it and play it. If you know this toy, like, comment down below.
Man.
Mom, I'm videoing. This is one I made.
Sama natin si Mama.
This is the one I made, guys. And the one who wants this one, is free. Or free out. I mean, this is for my friend. I'm sorry. But you can comment down below. And our colors are sticky. Are yellow, pink, and white, I think. So this was my favorite toy ever. And of course, we're putting stickers on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Like that. And tweezers. I love tweezers. Scar, of course, sprinkles for decorations. Okay, and this one is your options. Comment down below what shape should I do next. But day 2, I'm gonna still do this. The 3 of them are my practice. So now this isn't a practice. Maybe you pick star for now. Okay, we have to put stickers first. Oh, Cinderella. Let's get my tweezers. Then let's start. I guess I've got to put it here first. Oh, my mom closed my lights. I really like Cinderella, so I'm gonna put Cinderella. There. Now time then.
Shh. Lilinisan tayo.
Then let's put it here. I'm just gonna put it here. There. Oh, finally. Okay. I need more stickers for it. Maybe Cinderella's okay. Or this one. Should be good. It's like a pumpkin, so I don't know how it looks like. Okay, here it is. Oh, I'll top there. But I still have to put more stickers on it. Only one last more. I mean 2 more. I need this one. Yeah, this is how I sit. If you were my fan, I would give you one keychain. And this is how we put the keychain. But I don't know how to put it. So if you guys know, I'm just gonna put it at the bag. So you can put it. But wait, after this. There. Okay, now to put it here. Oh no! Where is it? Yeah, I know. Tweezers are my favorite. But first I'm seeing the tweezers. And this one, so many. Wait, is this broke? Seriously. This one is already dry because I made this yesterday. And this too. I can show it to you. This one, it's sticky when you touch the... See? I just got... This is cream, okay? This is cream. Oh, you can see it. The fall. Okay, maybe that's enough. Just gotta put it at back. There. Maybe that's okay now. Okay, next, let's begin with the back. This is the back one and this is the front one. The back one is the cream one time. No tweezers. I'm just joking. First, we need our cream. You guys choose. Oh my gosh, why it's so sticky? Okay. Oh my god, not again. Do you like white? Oh yes. Do you like white? Do you like pink? Or do you like yellow? Maybe you chose pink, of course. Oh, this is pink. So I'm gonna put the others here and the pink is in the middle. Middle of the night. I don't know how to sing, but sometimes I can sing. Okay, now next. Oh, yeah, we already have it. Okay, let's open this. Oh my gosh, why did it fall? This one's what I need. Wait. There. This one for the cream. They're perfect. Now time to blend in. It's already 7 minutes. Yeah. I'm Marites. Filipinos know. I'm Marites. Okay, if you don't know, just tell to the Filipinos in my video. Okay, now let's dip in. Shake, shake, shake. I still haven't yet. Okay, let's go. No more cream? Huh? Why it looks like there's more cream? There. But this will take a long time. So I cannot speed up because I'm still a child. I don't know how to pose. My daddy is Pitoy Boy. It's not the name, okay? It's the YouTuber's name. Pitoy Boy. Search it up from the search bar. If you saw him, he has subscribers, but my subscribers are more. And please subscribe and like. If you subscribe for like, I'm gonna give you this for free. Or I'm gonna give you like 100 Robux in Roblox. So comment down below what's your name in Roblox. My gosh, this is hard. Oh, this take a while. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, should happen. Where's the pamunas or cloth? And to wash it off. Oh, nothing. Maybe that's okay. Now, did it get ruined or not? Maybe that's enough. I'm stressing out. Ouchie, ouchie, my boo boo. Nah, maybe I'm stopping this. The pink one's hard. Don't hear it, guys? If you don't hear it, it means you're deaf. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna get this. And now you read it. Then see it. Oh. There. So, oh no, I'm not. Oh, I think it was time to put this out again. Oh, where's the
Dala lang po sabon.
takip? Where's the takip? Where's the takip, guys?
Nangalin po.
Down below, where did I put it?
Oh, kay Bunso po. Pwede.
Huh? I just put it here. Oh. At times. Okay, now time to put this. On my last video or last shorts, the last shorts, the one I said, will I leave YouTube? Yes or no? The one who said no, I'm gonna give them a heart, or I'm gonna subscribe them and give them 100 Robux. Cause I'm 2,000 Robux. Last time 2,000, cause I weighed 1,000. See, I'm good at math.
And did you see my yellow paper?
Now time to add the, oh, this one first, right? Oh my gosh, the sprinkle has fallen. You cannot help me because you're just in a video. I'm being for real. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's enough. Bruh. Oh. Elna. It's like my name, El. Oh my gosh. Finally. I'll get the flower. This one. Oh. This one. The flower. And a cactus. This cactus with a heart on it. On top. We only get 2, so there's 2 here for more. Oh. I still have my, I forgot. But sipon, but Filipino snows again. Now time to put it here. I put other sprinkles on it, so why? So why not? Just gotta push it super. Oh my. Super duper it. Then the flower is super duper clean. Boom. Now time to add the sprinkles on it. Sprinkles, sprinkles. I love sprinkles. We love sprinkles. It's not the food, okay? Okay, now here it is. Oh, by the way, there's clips.
Sige na. Sige na.
Just gonna put it right here. And guys, if you know how to tie this keychain, help you teach me and comment down below how. Okay? It's not like we're gonna met. You're just gonna tell how to do it. Okay. That's all for today, guys. See you on day 2. Bye-bye.